Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to the Noorani Qaida course at Quran and Heart Academy. This course for anyone who wants to learn Arabic, read the Quran and understand the Islamic books in their original languages. It is designed for all levels, beginners, kids, intermediate students and advanced learners who want to improve their reading skills and pronunciation to sound like native Arabic speakers. Today, inshallah, we continue our course from lesson 2 for the Noorani Qaida, and we will start with a quick revision then for the first lesson. At the first lesson, we talked about the names of the letters, and we learned together the letter Alif and the letter Hamza and the letter Ba and the letter Ta and the letter Tha and Jim, Ha, Kha. Okay, then we stopped at the letter Kha. Okay, if you need to revise or you need to study well this from Alif to Kha, then you can go to the lesson 1. I have talked about them well at the first class. Then you can go to the video and you can watch it and study it, and then after that we continue. You can continue with us from the letter Dhal. Okay, then today we have really easy letters. The first one we have today is the letter Dhal. The letter Dhal. Notice Dhal is, and we can use our imagination to say maybe Dhal is like a magnet or something. Dhal, this is his name, Dhal. Please repeat after me with a loud voice, then a voice you can hear yourself. Dhal. Then this letter, it's called Dhal. Okay, let us now to move. And this letter, it's called Dhal. Attention, Dhal. Okay, then with Dhal, you feel like you have to show your tip of your tongue out. Okay, then the TH sound, like the word there at the start, the TH sound of in the word like there or that. Okay, then repeat after me. This letter, it is called Dhal. Dhal. Okay, Dhal is like his brother Dhal exactly, but again remember the dot. Actually, I want to tell you something. You feel like the dots is a really big problems in art, but in the reality, actually, these dots is helping you to able to know the difference and to read the differences between Dal and Dhal and other letters. Okay, because I don't want to take you the deep information that all the Arabic they used to write and to read these letters without even these dots, and they could do that. Okay, then without a lot of details, yeah, actually the dots is here to help you. This letter, it is called Ra. Ra. As I told you, we have two variations in Arabic. You can say Ra as written here down. You can say Ra, okay, ended by Hamza sound. But if you feel Hamza is difficult for you and you cannot say its sound right now, then you can just say Ra with Alif sound. Ra, you feel? Okay, repeat after me. Ra. Ra is a curvy, or you can say is like a banana or something, but this banana is really weird because it is in blue, a blue banana. Okay, this crazy imagination is helping you to remember the letter easily. Let us now to move. The new letter is called Zai. Zai. Okay, Zai also is like a banana or a curvy, is taking a curvy line and has one dot over, and it's called Zai. Remember please, Zai, don't say Zain. Don't say Zain, because Zain, it's a common mistake even between teachers. Some teachers are saying this is Zain. No, this is not Zain. It's called Zai as written here exactly. Zai. Okay, then this is the letter Zai, and the differences between Ra and Zai, as you see here, the dot again, the dot which help you to know which one is Zai and which one is Ra. Okay, Zai has one dot over. Good. Let us now to move. This letter it's called seen. Seen. Okay, you can say, or you can use your imagination to say seen is like the comb or like the toothbrush, okay, which is has how many teeth? 1, 2, 3. Okay, it is called seen. Seen. Repeat after me with a loud voice, please. Seen. Good. This is seen. Great. Okay, then let us know to move. Seen is an easy letter in Arabic. Then, and next to that we have the letter sheen. 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 How many dots do you have here? 1, 2, 3. Sheen. This is his name. His name is Sheen. Repeat after me. Sheen. Remember the differences between seen and sheen, that sheen has 3 dots. 3 dots. Good. Okay, great. The sound or the name of the letter is called sheen. Okay, like when you say like she, the sound she, the sh sound in English language, you say sh, like the word fish or other. Okay, then remember that sheen. Okay, that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment with your thoughts. I would love to hear about your learning journey. And don't forget to subscribe for more learning resources. Together, let's make the journey of reading the Quran enjoyable and fulfilling. Thank you for watching. Assalamu alaikum.